how to speed up or fast forward the part of the video on CapCut app. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, head over to your application CapCut. Tap on New Project. Select the video that you want to speed up. So let me select this video for now. And then tap on Add. Now you just have to split the part of the video that you want to speed up. So let me split up the video from this part. And then split up to right here. Once you are done, select the part of the video that you want to fast forward. And then right here, the option of speed will be visible to you. Tap on it. And then tap on normal. It will show you all of the speed up duration. Now right here, hold this button and move into the right as per the preference of your speed up. For now, let me just set the speed frequency to 1.5x. Once you are done, tap on this icon. So there you go, the part of the video has been speed up successfully. Likewise, you can speed up or fast forward any part of the video that you want on CapCut. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to speed up the part of the video on CapCut application. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.